A Guardian is a member of the militant infantry of the Aeldari craft worlds who serve multiple tactical roles as needed in the defense of their homes and comprise the majority of the Ashurni's armed forces. In times of peace, the Guardians pursue their normal civilian roles. All adult Ashurni, however, are trained in the arts of warfare and can be called to arms if their craft world is threatened. It is a painful irony that in the Aeldari species' endless quest for survival, the very civilians the war hosts fight to protect are all too often forced to take up arms themselves. Every Ashurni is trained and ready to fight as a Guardian is need be. On some craft worlds, all the way foremost amongst them, the Guardians are the most common of all Aeldari warriors, as the number of dedicated professional Aeldari troops, the aspect warriors, in a craft world are simply too few to meet all threats. Those Aeldari dedicated to a civilian Ashurni path serve as Guardians in battle, forming the bulk of the craft world Aeldari armies. Guardians are also called upon to pilot and crew the majority of the Aeldari's many war machines, providing vital armoured support and transportation for the war host in battle. Guardian forces consist of two main types, the tactical flexible guard and defenders, and the more assault-orientated Storm Guardians. Both are equipped with Aeldari mesh armour. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.